The boy's about to get me. What's going on, guys? It's Matt.
Stop running. One life, one chance, start living. Sing it louder just to let the world know. No, we're not nameless, we're not faceless, we were born for greatness.
Oh yeah, track night, boys. I'm only gonna put like $6 or $7 because I don't want to go on a full tank to the track, you know. I put 10. What's up, guys? Are you racing tonight? No. No? What? You? Did you fill up your 85? We're gonna rerun tonight, man. Let's see how big of a difference the 85 made. You guys see my new plate?
Oh, I never saw it. I knew that's what it said. I knew it. Wow, okay. He told me to fuck off when I thought it said.
I put it on my Snapchat story and he screenshot it. Little fucking sneaky. Alright, let's go. Track night, boys. Beautiful. Look at that temperature. I've never been to the drag strip with the temperatures below 90 degrees. Can you guys freaking believe that? Alright, we're out here. Not that packed. Not packed at all, actually. For those of you that are new, I'll remind you guys what's done to my car. I got a MPT 91 tune, BBK Shorties, Ford Performance 373s, and I don't know, intake. The gears and the tune are really what's making this car what it is. And then Ivan over here, my friend, with another 3.7, that's 550. He's long tube headers with no, hey, you're catless now, huh? You're catless now? Oh shit, so he's catless now, and then he went E85. So long tubes, no cats, and auto Mafia too. So me and Ivan are gonna rerun. This time, he's catless and has E85, so two different mods from last time.
Oh shit.
So last time my top end pulled on him, but I'm expecting you to pull on the top end this time.
I hope so, because if not, I'd be disappointed.
You're catless and you have a different fuel, so you better fucking pull on me, Ivan.
I hope.
Or we're gonna fucking email.
I'm still waiting on my port intake.
We're gonna email Auto Mafia. If you guys saw my last video at the track, I ran a 14.5 and the DA that night was 7,000 feet and it was 90 degrees. So right now, I don't know what the DA is tonight, but it's 65 degrees right now. So hopefully I'll run a faster time than a 14.5.
109.
The boy's about to get me. I have to see what I ran. That first to second shift felt really good. Not gonna lie, the car's pulling pretty good because of the cold weather, I feel like. So let's see what I ran. Thank you. Uh-oh, what did we run?
Disappointed me, dude. How the fuck did I run a 14.8?
I ran a 14.3! MPT never lets me down. Let's go. Ran a 14.3, that's my best time here at 4,000 feet elevation. Keep that in mind. Alright, I'm racing a viewer. He drives I think a 16 or a 17. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That was a Pro Charge 5.0. Oh my god. But I'm racing a viewer. I think it's a 16 or 17 2.0 Camaro, and I'm no stranger to these. I have a buddy who drives one, and I know these things are fucking quick. So I know he's tuned. He said by a company called Trifecta or something like that. Never heard of him, but I know this thing's pretty quick. So let's see. And it's an 8-speed. At the end, I started pulling very slightly, but yeah, he got me back car length. That shit's fucking quick. Thank you. 14.3 again. He ran a 14.1. Pretty good race, man.
Yeah, man, good shit, man.
Yeah, you too, dude. You ran a 14.1.
Yeah,
I ran a 14.3. That dude.
man, my shit was horrible.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
You too, man. I'm racing this dude in an Infinity Q40. He wanted to race me. I raced this car when I was stock, an Infiniti Q40, and he beat me pretty good. Well, not this guy, but a similar Q40, he beat me. These cars come with 330 horsepower, so they're no slouch. Let's see what happens. I think he red lit. That's how he got the jump on me so good. I think he jumped on red. But I pulled him in pretty good. Not gonna lie. Let's see what the snowmobile has run for our third run of the night. Appreciate it. My guys are horrible. Can't even read it. What the fuck, bro? Oh. Can't even read it. It was backwards. I'm so stupid. I ran a 14.2. We got faster. Let's go. Hear all these race cars, I'm just sitting here in my V6 Mustang. Alright boys, I'm racing something I always wanted to race, finally. I think this is like a 2017, I think, 18 maybe? Ford Raptor, the new one. The twin turbos, the EcoBoosts. I think these come with like 500 horsepower, I want to say? I don't know. I know they're fucking fast, but though they have a 10-speed automatic. For such a big damn truck, that thing took off pretty fast off the line, not gonna lie. But I mean, he does have 2 turbos under the hood. But the Cyclone came through for the win, and everybody's gonna be in the comments, well, why don't you take it to the dirt? And I'm just here like, okay. It's just my 4th run. Every run I've gotten a little bit faster. I don't think that's the case with this one though. Thank you. 14.3, back to our 14.3. I'll take it though. I'll take it. God. 992. Alright guys, we're fast forwarding to the next day. I was too tired and lazy to do an outro last night. But the car did run pretty good last night. I did 4 good runs. I did take it now to the 2.0, but there's no shame there. Those things are pretty quick. And I also raced the Ford Raptor, something I always wanted to race. That's one thing I want to scratch off my list. And I ran a personal best of a 14.2 last night, which is, you know, I'm pretty happy about it. I think at sea level that'd be a good low 13-second car, I think so. And I also had like 2 or 3 viewers come up to me last night and say what's up. So hey, shout out to you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching the vids and coming up and saying what's up. But that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.